Hello everyone, my name's Beth and this is Annabelle. Hello! Annabelle, what have we got here? Have you been cooking?
Oh yeah, I've invited Brett and Carson round for dinner.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm going to show them how well I can cook using an oven.
Oh, so what are you making?
A cake.
Oh, okay. Well, that looks pretty good. Should we just put that in the oven now?
Oh no, I'm missing an egg.
Oh, okay.
I need your help to crack it.
Okay. Well, I'll just pop you down here while I crack the egg because I need both my hands to do this.
Alright.
Thank you. Oh, I've got one egg left. I'll just crack it. Annabelle! Annabelle, the egg you gave me to crack is rotten.
Oh, that's alright. We'll just mix it in.
Annabelle, it's ruined the cake. You can't serve that.
Oh, well if I mix it in they won't notice.
You know what the rotten egg reminds me of?
What?
The rotten egg is like sin in our lives. Sin is things that we do that don't please God.
Oh!
And just like this rotten egg, we can't get rid of it ourselves.
So what do we do?
Well, we need Jesus, who is God, and he's more powerful than us. And he lived amongst us. When he died on the cross, he took away our sin and made us new again so that we can be friends with God.
Ah!
So see this rotten egg, Annabelle? It's like the sin, we can't use that.
Ah!
That Jesus, he takes the sin away when he died on the cross so that we can be friends with God.
I see. Maybe I'll get them Wendy's food instead of making that cake.
I think so. I think they might appreciate a bit of Wendy's.